What's up, everybody? How you doing? Today I'm gonna bring you something special that is actually price-wise is incredible. Now, this is the Pulse Escape Plus from Motorola. This is a wireless headphones, and it has many special features that makes me wonder about how did it actually reach that price and how did they cut corners when it comes to the value. Um, so first off, before I just open up the box, let me go through some stuff over here. We have 20 hours playtime, so 20 hours wirelessly. You can listen to music. Passive noise isolation. So there is no isolation here like active noise isolation. This is just the passive. And we're going to test that later on, of course. Lightweight and foldable. So this is very light, and this is actually the box is very light. So by actually measuring the weight of the box itself, you can see how much light is actually the headphones. So this is really great. The surprise will come later on. Now this is also water and dust resistant, IP45. That's actually incredible. So if you're looking to go in the rain, run in the rain, so you'll have no problems, no issues at all. It's Bluetooth, of course. Let's take a look at the other spec here. So as you can see, IP54, we have 20 hours battery. We have rich HD sound with 40mm drivers. So 40mm drivers, that means the quality should be great. Usually they use this type of drivers in the gaming headset. And yeah, it's incredible that you can find this in this such headphones, but we cannot say anything right now. We have to test it. Lightweight and foldable for travel. So this is really great. Passive noise isolation blocks unwanted background noise. So they're actually marketing the noise isolation here as passive. We're gonna check that later on as well. Siri and Google now compatible. This is good. You can just say okay Google and already get connected. Integrated microphone for calls. So this is also, we're gonna try this using phone calls, using the headphones, and also what most importantly that I found that's crazy that not most wireless headphones have is the multi-point technology to connect two devices at once. So you can connect Bluetooth on two devices at the same time. If you're, for example, running with a friend, you can, if you are sharing the same headphones, you can play one music from your phone, and you both are gonna listen to the same music. This is really awesome. Nothing much else I can see here. So we have, as you see, the headphone, we have the cable, a USB, and some booklets. So yeah, that's about it. Now let's just unbox it and see what we have here. This is incredible, guys. So the price, surprise, surprise, the price is 220 riyals, guys. 220 riyals. So to convert that into US dollars, this is around 60, not 60 actually, below 60. It's around 50, 45 to $50, guys. This is around 45 to $50 wireless headphones that has many features. That's incredible. It's really incredible, guys. Okay. And there you go. I'm gonna test the quality. It is lightweight. It's way lighter than the Beats Solo that I had before. So it's probably one of the reasons it's lightweight. Oh, okay. So nothing much, just the headphones, and we have this cable stuff, paperwork, and that's kind of lengthy cable. Sorry. No, this is not good. Okay, first off, micro USB. So no USB-C. That's number one. The cable is just a small cable. So if you have something laying around at your home, you would be actually going better. Now this is the cable. It looks high quality. It's very good materials. And this is the 3.5 millimeter. And you have also the call in and call out. It's just a block. This is a microphone. So can you plug it in the ears and you can use it. if you want to use it, of course. But it does have built-in microphone. All right, so let's open up the headset itself, and there you go. It has this kind of gamery style, and it's very, very light, guys. This is and the cushion is actually nice. Looks it doesn't look high quality, but it's very, very nice. It's very good feeling, and it has a thick sound when you bend it. There you go. Very light weight, and it says here, you can see it. Let me just zoom. Okay, so it says water dust resistance on the left, on the right side. On the left side, Motorola. It has even the battery capacity. Let me just even zoom further. As you can see here, it says 170 milliamp battery. How about that? That's actually quite. They're kind of crazy, man. 170 milliamp battery. That's it. But how can you charge it? Over here. That's where you charge it. Micro USB and one. This might be the only downside about it. Now you might ask, where is the other you know, the other stuff that you can, the controls and all that stuff? Well, here they are. This is a skip, next. This is back, and this is holding the music and call. Of course, all these are clickable, so no touch. There's no touch going on here, and there's no touching. It's all clickable, guys. So, as you can see, of course, it's lightweight, low quality, but I hope this actually fits well, and it's comfortable, you know, for long term. So this is alright. I'll try to wear them right now. Okay. Alright. They look fine. They look fine. Anyways, I'm gonna test it later on and see how actually, if it actually can be, let's say, a good daily driver for you. If you want to go for walk, running, if it actually fits good, no problem with the ears. We're gonna see, guys. I'm very interested to see if this actually work well, because if it does, you're actually getting you'll actually be able to buy something that is very, very high quality with low price and is very practical. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later.